ready to obviously request another payout.
Yes, we have 100,000 subscribers!
Good morning, guys. We are here in Nottingham in the United Kingdom. As you can see, we're here for the podcast of Alpha Capital. So we're going to bring you guys along today in another day of the life here on the channel with the Trading Academy. So we're going to head over now to the podcast where we're going to meet the Alpha Capital team. We're going to bring you guys along the entire day, show you the behind the scenes, show you what the podcast is like, and hopefully also do some interviews with the Alpha Capital team as well. So yeah, it's just going to be an amazing day. Finally going to do our story. Obviously, we've been funded with Alpha Capital for a very, very long time, already since last year. I think I've been trading live with them now for over 6 months and yeah, done a lot of consistent payouts with them. So we're also actually going to do a withdrawal today again on one of our funded accounts that we have with them. So yeah, we're heading to the hotel room now, going to get our stuff, and then we're going to head over to the podcast location. So bring you guys along in another amazing day of the life here on the channel. And obviously, guys, it's raining. We're waiting for the Uber to head over to the podcast location. But yeah, United Kingdom, always raining. Couldn't be anything different. Alright, so we just arrived here at the studios. As you can see, this is Blood Brother Studios in Nottingham. So we're going to go inside now, check out and introduce ourselves to the team, and then yeah, see what we can film and what not. So yeah, bring you guys along. We're here now in Nottingham at the podcast studio. But next to the fact that we're going to do a podcast, we're also going to do a lot of fun and games together with a lot of different other traders, ICT traders, support and resistance traders. Everything is going to be discussed here today. So it's going to be an amazing day. Bring you guys along in everything, and everything should also be on YouTube. I think we're going to do also a lot for the Alpha Capital YouTube channel as well. So yeah, let's have some fun, and everything is looking great. Decided to do a quick change of outfit, guys. As you can see, the Alpha Capital gear is on. Gonna head out now and do the live recording. Gonna attach a lot of that content in here as well. About to go on set, guys. Whole team looking ready here, as you can see. Ready for top performance.
So 1, 2, 3 question. All 35 points on the line. Yeah, okay, so if you get this, it's going to take you to 105 points. That will take you equal exactly. I like it. Okay, so it's really fun. Yeah, it comes to this question. None of that Fibonacci stuff that we had earlier. Which futures contract is a benchmark for global prices?
Futures question.
Futures contract for?
For oil prices.
Oil prices.
So yeah,
We can. Yeah. Such fucking strange tickers like NSQ1 and stuff. Oil prices has these crazy tickers. F5? WTI? And then now we just pray. Yeah. Okay. Now we just pray.
Would you like to reveal your answers?
Oh, we're seeing some cheating. There's some.
Lock it in.
Locked in.
Oh, it's done.
Dun, dun, dun.
What's
Is that B?
No, 3.
3.
3 Ti. That's a 3. That can
Oh,
be.
W. It's a W. Wait.
It doesn't look like a W for
Yeah.
me.
No, it's a W. I'm Dutch. We have a different alphabet in Holland,
Right,
you know.
well, let's reveal the answer.
WTI.
WTI.
No, incorrect.
What? WTI
CL.
CL.
Sorry.
We'll accept the answer. On this
Yes.
occasion. So we're neck and neck. We're neck and neck.
Let's go, Holland.
Neck and
Holland
neck.
for the
They
win.
pulled it back at the very
We're back. We're back. Guys, that was it. We had to answer some of the questions. Some of the questions were, for example, what is the Lumi? What are the top 3 most traded pairs in regards to volume? And yeah, we made a few big mistakes, not gonna lie, but obviously it's always gonna be a little bit different when the big cameras and the big lights are spotted on you. You can see over here, the studio is pretty big. But next up is gonna be the podcast one-on-one, and we're gonna do another competition as well. But I'm not so sure yet what that's all gonna be about. So yeah, bring you guys along. At the end of the day, if you just trade, let's say, a simple trend up, you're going to see impulses, you're going to see pullbacks.
Absolutely.
And at the end of the day, everybody's goal is to get in on the pullback, or at least if you're a breakout trader, obviously you'll get in on the impulse. But most of the traders, they want to get in on that pullback, and then they try to time that pullback. And then everybody's just using, at the end of the day, kind of like the same confluences, because
I
I
had that
trade.
on my chat, the old ICT traders and the Mermaid's Tales. And how come is it you look at an Elliott wave type way, and yet we seem to line up in so many?
Yeah.
So, well, that's because they're all based on the same premise and the sentiment change and the
Exactly.
the channel change. It's
And everybody's just trying to get in on that, let's say, on that higher low or on that lower high. And at the end of the day, if we just look at what the overall order flow is or what the overall market trend is, and we can get in on that specific moment in time, we can just all use our own confluences but still make money on the same way. So I think people should kind of like come into more agreement with that.
What is the term for spreading investments to reduce risk? Spreading investments to reduce risk. What's the term for it?
Spreading investments to reduce.
Begins with D. What is the largest stock exchange in the world?
New York Stock Exchange.
Oh.
What is the name of the military alliance between US, Canada, and EU? What company was the first to reach $1 trillion market cap? What does PIP stand for?
The movement on the fourth decimal of the business.
That's what it is, but percentage
Point.
Percentage in point. Which financial institution has the most influence on Forex?
Financial institution, the Fed.
Yeah. What does GDP stand for?
Gross domestic product.
What was the highest performing crypto in 2024?
2024. Solana. Oh, Doge.
Oh, he's the Brit, mate. Oh, who got it right?
No, he got it right.
No, I got it right.
Which organisation controls oil prices globally?
I know. Oil prices.
What's the name of Warren Buffett's investment company?
Berkshire Hathaway.
Oh, for fuck's sake.
Sorry, mate. Oh, you.
All right, guys, so I'm here with Sean from one of the traders actually from Alpha Capital. Sean, can you maybe tell the viewers a little bit more about who you are and what you do?
Hi, so yeah, I work with Alpha Capital as well, doing some of the production stuff. I'm a trader. I trade mostly Euro, but get into more currencies, so that's why.
What's your favourite pair?
Euro USD. I say it's not my favourite.
Yeah.
It's just it's sort of what I stuck with.
And I heard a little bit you were trading indicators and stuff. Like, how do you trade?
Oh man, yeah, I've tried everything, man. I've tried everything. Like when I first started, I thought, let's get rid of the psychology aspect. Let's just make bots and stuff. So every indicator you can think of, I programmed them all. And
Biggest win in trading. What was the biggest win in trading?
Personal development.
Personal development, not the money.
No.
Development.
That's what we really win here, man.
Okay.
100%. Yeah.
That's good for the content. Let's put it that way.
Yeah, it's motivational.
And the biggest loss? What would you say? Like, biggest loss doesn't have to be like monetary loss, but like, what was like the biggest setback maybe that people can learn from?
Oh gosh, man. That's
Maybe
you
was
take
like
so many punches trading, man. Honestly, it's hard to even say. I think it's just.
Have you also experienced maybe then, let's say, spending money on 20 different challenges and like failing 20 times? Because I know a lot of people have had that experience as well.
The one thing that I'm proud of is I've lost like 4 challenges ever.
Oh, only ever? Whoa, that's not a lot, man. Let us know in the comment section, by the way, how many challenges you have lost. All right, guys, so it was an amazing day. We're currently having dinner here at a Thai place. As you can see, the table is absolutely stacked with food. And maybe Rutger can give you a little update of today.
Yeah, so crazy day, guys. We had a very long day, podcast, mini games, and we both did a podcast. So yeah, crazy stuff, and really enjoyed it, man. So time to indulge in all this food.
Alright guys, so ready to obviously request another payout. We're currently in the hotel room, so it's a bit of a mess. We're not going to show the rest of the hotel room, but what Rutger can show is here my payout dashboard with Alpha Capital. So as you can see, many payouts have already been done in the past, and what we're going to do now is just request a payout here live on the vlog. So what I'm going to do now here is that we have an account which is around 3.5k in profit. Obviously with a profit split of 80%, that should be around $2,800. So I'm just going to test here if the withdrawal works. So let's see, we put it in the withdrawal for $27.99 and let's press submit. Okay. And if it is correct, woohoo. Okay, great, payout requested. So that's another day in the life, guys, here after a full day with Alpha Capital, even doing an Alpha Capital payout request. We just need 4 more subscribers, guys.
Share the screen.
3 more subscribers. 3 more subscribers. Let's make the chat go crazy. 2 more subscribers, guys. 2 more subscribers. Let's go. 2 more subscribers. Come on, man. Anybody? 2 more subscribers. 1 more subscriber. 1 more subscriber. Yes, we have 100,000 subscribers. Man,
100k.
100,000, guys. Lost so much money, made money, lost even more money again. But the most important thing is that I met you all, guys. And for me, that's what counts. And I just feel blessed. Hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. If you did, make sure to leave a comment and a like down below, and see you in the next one. Thanks, guys.